misa y'umutano al St Helens Primary School Nyamitanga ho muri Murambarara bakuru b'amashomero baheruka kwatswaho aho imihendo y'ebintu yebikoresebwa abana na mnongabo abinoboremeza amibiri yabo kabatari kureba n'ebindi nibagira ngo hakiriho nibura ry'abashomesa babana HKH.
I don't know how many times I discussed with the Archbishop about this school. I feared parish priest, but one time I told him, and he said, I'm there. And indeed, he's here. We thank him very much.
Now, Madam Honorable Finance Minister is here. The talk changed. The talk, the perception about our schools changed. No, but we are also in great need.
Omukitambo cha message hona basima abeji abakuze kurungi ebigezo by'amushanju abo mwako guhwire ebya PLE aba St Helens Primary School.
Suggestion to the City Education Office and the Diocesan Education Office for your continuous guidance.
People Kampala saying they favor the villagers. The villagers are not favored.
Omgan Colonel James Mwesige orukuraba RDC abo aburengera izoba yahiga bakuru b'amashomero okutandikaho project na munongezo ziranje kutahiza amashomero gabo. Ebe n'ebindi yabigamba obaru kurambura project zitari zimwe na zimwe na munongezo zirimo zikorerwa ari Mbara Junior Primary School aho muri Murambarara ayo batangiye project y'Urutoke na Bombeka
maraho miliyoni 38 ubu harimo na pamp bakatimba mitazi 9 mwenda sa twatunga mizi parawa
hati project ya mize yatireho neza kuretera ishomero ribirene rushohoza miliyoni 8 ryatanka kushoza miliyoni 2 Urutoke mwareba nuruza kugira ebitoke rero ebitoke ebyo bikoze sebwe omukureba ngo abana batunga balanced diet kandi nabo ahamwe ngombe humuro nabasa kuruguza ishomero nerutunge ntasya bweno bwebembezi nkobo no bwebembezi obwa abantu abakufayo
nakusima gini agutwikiriza always to be here in this house of our Lord.
Omwanyogo bakuru b'amashomero na mnongaga ga government nabo tebaburaho omukuramburoko.
And we must fight to see what is done.
We are putting up a fantastic banana plantation where we have put so many things that are put in the boat. A perimeter fence.
Bwanyu mukuramburoko habaho okushaba omukushaboko nho basima nabeje abakozireje exam bya PL yabo mwako guhire okushaba kwa kwebembiremo omurebezi wa Nkole Right Reverend Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mosigwa.
Yeah, you come to give thanks for the successful results. There are some whose results were held for cheating and for many other reasons.
Abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon na Eli Akiza.